There we go. So I'm now in the process of installing Windows. I don't know quite what was wrong. I made sure all these. This is temporary. This cable here. This is just because the motherboard cable, which are braided, haven't turned up yet, and just to get crap going, I wanted to install Windows because installing Windows takes a hour or so of it just downloading programs and doing its own little thing. And also, it gave me the chance of finding out what was wrong with this to start off with. Um, so, obviously, the card itself pulls a nice amount of voltage. I think it can pull up to about 600 watts. So it's a ridiculous amount of, most PCs will pull that amount. Um, all these cables I made sure are all completely individual, going into the back of the power supply. The power supply at the moment is just sitting out there chilling because obviously once I get the braided cables, I'll slip that straight back in. Yeah, so I'm not too sure what was going on with the card. It was saying that it was power starved because it was coming up with the codes up here. It seems to be working fine now. I'm just going to install Windows and crack on, and then I'm going to turn it on and off, and see, if it's an intermittent problem, and then just troubleshoot. But at the moment, so far, it's all working all super gaudy for you. There you go, all the old RGB. See what I mean about those fans? Just adds a bit more, a bit more sort of extra epileptic fit. Yeah, so I'm literally just about to start installing Windows now, and then I will see if that was just an intermittent problem. If something was, I don't know, to be honest with you. I took out the RAM sticks, gave them a blow like you would with the old Nintendo 64 cartridges, stuffed them back in. Wasn't that? Yeah, I mean AO means AOK. That's as far as I know. You see what I mean about I'll flip that once I get that all working. But at the moment it's running at 23C, which is fine. But yes, so I will crack on.